travels, Orange Lake Resort, Splash Lagoon, and North Village. Although River Island is much more giant, I prefer this pool over River Island because it's much quieter, more relaxing, and there's still a water slide with it. At night, this pool looks even better, and trust me, this is a great place for a night swim at Orange Lake. Even have their own Instagram wall here. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and click the bell so you don't miss out on any travels.